Right now, just tape reading it. These lows were tagged. We got news, like a medium impact news driver coming in about 4 minutes. So we kind of got to wait for that. No clean fair value gaps have been formed. This was the first one inside here, which is like super tiny. Price is looking very, very funky. No, come. Okay, here we go. See that right there? Let's see if that one stays open. We have to wait till 10 o'clock. So we came down, took this here. It's in a very high resistance program. When you see that right there, just go up, boom. And it's not, we got some nice lows down there. If we break past this, I like this sell side right here at 23.43. I have to wait and see what that little impact does. Right here, what is it? It's the existing home sales and crude oil inventories. They don't cause a major impact, but they do cause. So we just wait and see what it is exactly that it wants to do. Minor. Now he's stacking the lows. Boom, boom, boom. Oh. It's looking like it wants to reach for mid gap, so they might use that news to just spike it up there. I don't want to do nothing crazy right now. Just want to chill. See what this is doing on 15. Here's the session low. This was the opening high. Got 30 seconds till that news, so we'll see what they want to do. So all week, they've been targeting London highs. So kind of just want to get an idea of what's going on for this little session. Okay, news 2, 1, boom. Okay, stalling. Opening range. Did not trade to midpoint. Just in consolidation right now. I'd like to see what happens after these lows right here. These lows look nice right here. I like that right there. What it's starting to form. So it's failing to get up there. That's a sign that we want to go lower. Break these lows. Come up. There's that first fair value gap there. The guy's reacting to that. That could be a breakaway gap right there. Midpoint of that. That's what it's doing. Boom, it's staying right at the midpoint. There it is. It's going to start breaking down fast. There we go. That's what I wanted to see. That low get taken. So, let's see what we get now. Just looking at the middle of this candle right here, this wick. Price comes up there. We want to see there. We want that to stay open. This right here. Boom, pull up. There we go. Pull up. Pull up. Up, up, up. And it's just going to break fast. Let's see if I get filled right here. I'll take a short right there. Where the heck is my stop? I want right here and TP right there. So now we just chill. I don't want price to come back up inside here. I like how this low was broken. We want to see more candles to the downside. There we go. There we go. It's good there. Let's see some more. Fast. Watching the midpoint of this candle right here. Of this wick. Boom. Show me all the signs of weakness. Once this comes a little bit lower to like 377, then I'll roll the stop. But this is good right here. This is a good sign. I want to see this move fast now. Super fast. There we go. I want to see that. No pullbacks. 10:03. Come on. Good. All right, good. All right, so now I'll put this right here. I'm just gonna let it go. In fact, I'll put my stop right here. Just let it ride. Get rid of this. In fact, I'll take a picture of that. Just cause. So here's my target right here, 23.43. Whatever it does after that, it's not my concern. We just flash to the 15-minute, which is these lows right here. So it could react there at 361. So we have to just see how it keeps behaving. Watching the midpoint of that right there. You see that? It's pulling up. If it takes me out there, I don't care. Because it could come back to consequent encroachment there, but that's not what we want to see. We want to see speed racer. Let me just highlight this, put it here. I want to see once another candle forms and comes right here, I'm going to just let it, I'm going to roll my stop to this area here. There we go. 10:05. Three seconds left on that candle. And that I don't want to. There we go. I want to see. I want to see none of that stuff. That's what I want to see. Push lower. Remember that low I had mentioned right there, right? I kind of want to just highlight it and then go back to the 1 minute and then adjust it. So this low, we got to keep an eye on it just to see how it reacts there. I'm going to roll my stop to this high now. Position is looking real good. It can do whatever it wants now. There we go. See, that's that first low I was talking about. Now I want to see this low right here. How it reacts here. Again, I roll my stop to this low net, to this high. And then just let it do what it needs to do. Let it go. It can go lower than that, obviously, but I don't care for that. That's my target. See if it hits that. So it's 10:07. That up. Picture of that. And let's see. Got 20 seconds left on that candle. It's creating this fair value gap right here, so it could come back up into that, but we don't want to see that. We want to see the next candle just plummet into those fair value gaps and all of that. Square everything off. Come on, you know what I'm saying? There it is. That's what I said. It definitely could come back into that. I'm going to put a consequent encroachment of this candle here, just because if it is going to take me out there. I don't mind it. I'm managing my position. Come on, I don't want to see you go back up there. But if you do, because like I said, that low there, it was just too obvious that it was going to be taken. So there we go. Good. That's how you manage a position. And beautiful thing. So I said 360 was definitely a target. I wanted them to take it to the next one, but see those? That's where they took it. Because these right here were the ones that I had this drawn out before, and these lows were from Monday. So we'll just take a peek, see what's going on after it did that. So what it could do now, it's since I have my stop here at the high, and then I just decided to put a consequent encroachment of this, it could just send it down there now. But I don't care. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Content, and that is it. Obviously, we waited to see what was going on here with these lows. Once it broke this low right here, that's when I was like, okay, broke the low and broke this low here. That's when I was feeling everything that was going on. And I decided to go there. And, I'm glad that I rolled my stop to right here to consequent encroachment of this wick. Which you can take a peek right here. So that's what's happening now. Because that low is enough to send it back up into, let me see. Yeah, so that was perfect. Perfect, thankful, and I mean, what more can I say? Practice, 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 and basically what I can do is just simply analyze that we were in high resistance right here. Price was not willing to come up to the midpoint of this discount gap that we got today. From the open, it just tagged these relatively equal highs right here, minor buy side, tagged it. Then it kind of consolidated. It was consolidating. So it didn't even reach the the 25% quad here, because I measured from top to bottom, only at the open. It was failing to get up there. No like strong fair value gaps were formed. So that's what really kept my eye on. And then this right here, once I saw that the news didn't really, like, it was a medium impact, didn't really cause much, I had already been focusing on these lows just because we've been bearish all morning. So these lows were really my indication of, okay, once it breaks these lows, we could definitely expect price to come down here. Obviously, I was looking for 23.43, and we got down to, what's the low of that? 23.46. So by $3, it didn't come to tag the low, but that's all good, because that's why you manage your position. Once it gets into it, like you see more down close candles, you protect the position, and you start to realize what can happen. And that's when I noticed that 20,360 and a quarter, that it could definitely react to it, but in some instances, that's why I rolled the stop, because it reacted to it. I rolled it there, and then I said, F it, I'm going to put it at the midpoint there. And that's exactly where they took me out at. But my thing is that I've seen this so many times that when there's so many lows like this in this area and all this stuff there, like price just starts going crazy and plummets fast. So that's why I had set that as the target. But it's all good. And practice. And that's pretty much it for me. I got something to do today. And I hope you enjoyed that. And peace out, man. Peace.